cocoa is purring on your back. The rise and fall of your breathing is all I'm wanting to look at. It's been many dawns and many nights. I swear to you now, it'll be for life. Baby, I love you, love you. Everyone knows I do. Every weird thing about us is amazing. Yeah, let's face it, we all know it's true. I wanna marry you. I wanna marry you. Desert stars in the night sky, gentle and wild like you and I. And we've always trusted the music, ooh, to bring us closer every time. At home in bed or Joshua tree, it starts and ends with you and me. Baby, I love you, love you. Everyone knows I do. Every weird thing about us is amazing. Yeah, let's face it, we all know it's true. I wanna marry you. I wanna marry you. And where would I be if I wasn't loved by you and our friends? Living a good life, letting us be whoever we like. I could go on and on and on. Where would I be if I wasn't loved by you and our friends? Living a good life, letting us be whoever we like. I could go on and on and on. Baby, I love you, love you. Everyone knows I do. Every weird thing about us is amazing. Yeah, let's face it, we all know it's true. I wanna marry you. I wanna marry you.
I'd give up every dollar just to see her. Anything to feel that way again. I must have been a fool to try and keep her. She only comes around here now and then. Feels like she's the sky below the sunset, watching her until she disappears. Her love is like a war I haven't won yet. Until I do, I'll just pretend she's here. 'Cause sometimes she falls like snow, and sometimes she cracks like ice. But I know I found my home when she sings like an angel, sings like an angel. Tell me why it's always me who gets the weird ones, the ones that I will always try to fix. I fall in love and give it all and then some, but when I do, that's just the night she quits. 'Cause sometimes she falls like snow, and sometimes she cracks like ice. But